Well, I'm gonna give a little update. It's been a couple days. Currently trying to get this back brake fixed over here, but been having problems trying to get the coupe started. Even though we took this motor out of the hatch and put it straight into here, and we started running into some problems. So I was talking to Brent from PFI Speed, and he ran through a couple things with me. We realized that the map sensor wasn't reading, the throttle wasn't reading. So then he asked me if I was using a jumper harness. I told him yeah. He told me that has to be the issue. So I ordered another jumper harness. It'll be here, I think, either Tuesday or Wednesday. Which kind of makes sense because we were having problems with the 4-door, the F20B. And I was using that same jumper harness. So I guess we're just gonna sit and wait, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'll definitely be posting a video of the first startup, so stay tuned for that.